Hi, let's talk about figuring it out. We do get all the gazes and looks from people when they ask us, what do you want to do in life? What is your passion? And our answer is, I'm still figuring it out. Like, that's the most natural answer that comes out from our mouth, even though we don't want to say it. That's what we say. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I am still figuring it out. And the looks people give when you say you're figuring it out. These people, they themselves may have their passion or their career sorted in a way in terms of financials, but they're still not in any position to judge you. So rather than taking their looks or their comments personally, what we need to do is just do our thing, which is survive. And I feel that survival cannot be joyless, even though we don't have a passion. We all are at home Googling what career to choose when you do not have a passion. We are Googling what is really going on. When do we find the right direction? Or does the right direction even exist? And most of us, we are just living on this survival mode where we are like, because we do not have the passion, someday we'll get our passion and so on. And 10 years later, we are all are 28 and life just does not seem to be where we thought. Now that I know all of it, I don't want to be 38 and still live a part of my life that I did not live because I wanted to find out my passion. So now what I do is I romanticize my life. I romanticize every single day of my life. So basically, what I have understood from all these years is action creates reality. And what do I mean by that? I say I'm figuring it out. I do understand deep in my heart now that I cannot figure it out by thinking harder, by just sitting and not living my life and being on a very survival mode. Rather, I figure it out by moving. And I'm not talking about, just running behind jobs. I'm talking about moving emotionally, moving spiritually, moving physically, moving mentally, and so on. Like moving in terms of every aspect of my life and being fully aware, fully conscious of what am I doing. Bell rings whenever I'm shooting. So where were we? So I was talking about how moving within different aspects of my life really helps in changing my reality. I'm not saying I have figured out yet, but what I've realized is maybe figuring it out is not even the goal. Maybe living every single moment, every single day with whatever has been given without the longingness for, figuring it out. What do I really like? What do I really want to do with my life? Maybe not figuring it out is the key to figure it all out. So, in this book, the other day I read, there was this one very important thing that hit me. It says, even if you do not have a passion, you just start. When you start, there is a momentum. And they are not saying what to start. They are saying, even if you have a job that you do not like, or even if you're doing a course that you're not that interested in, just do it. And it creates a momentum. There's a functioning in your mind and your perspectives open. There is action. You explore. You get the wheel going and then you fail. One of the perspective for failure is liberation. So people are telling that once you fail, you are liberated. Liberated in terms of doing that particular thing. And if you're somewhat like me and you have clicked on this video, you very clearly know what you don't want to do. Even though you do not know your passion yet, but you very clearly know what you do not want to do, which is even scarier because our options just become so limited that even by elimination method, we cannot come down to a single option. Like, what are we interested in? There are multiple things we're interested in, but not enough to make it our passion. So when I read it the other day that, just start something, get the momentum going, fail on it, be liberated from that failure, and that's it. The passion finds us in that mess. As they say, clarity does not like an audience. Clarity likes you to be with yourself, working within yourself, working for yourself, and that's when clarity hits you. That's when passion hits you. So it was really interesting take on how we are always trying to figure it out when just living it is enough. The another thought that I had with respect to figuring it out was to distract yourself. Yeah, I said it. Not many people are saying it. They're distracting us with a lot of other things when it comes to figuring it out, like doing an MBA or doing a random degree that would help you in nothing, just passing your time out so that you're not distracted enough to find what you really want. And hence, I love love this thought, I love this advice that distract yourself. Just do the things. Join a dance workshop, join a pottery class, join a language course, and all these things that you think you might be interested in. Just do all these things, fail in all these things, and maybe along the way, since the momentum is going, you do figure it out. Or maybe you don't, but at least you won't be just sitting in a place doing something you absolutely dislike and just thinking, when will I know my passion? There is an extreme pressure of figuring it all out, and since I personally have taken that pressure a lot, earlier I used to get triggered when people used to be like, stop saying this, you don't have a passion, everyone has a passion. Now I can proudly say that I don't have a passion and I am figuring it out, and I really feel that maybe figuring it out is not even my goal. Maybe the goal is to live in the smallest moments. Maybe the goal is to being in the momentum. Maybe the goal is to do the things. Maybe the goal is to just live. I like not just exist just because we do not have a passion, just because we do not know what to do, what we can do. Maybe just pick the nearest to your interest thing, maybe earn your living from that, but there is much bigger world ahead of just earning that living or just being on a survival mode, and live the smallest moments. Maybe it's not the time to find the right answers on Google all the time and feeling demotivated about ourselves. Rather, maybe it's the time to ask the right questions and not just believe in the answers that everybody else is giving. And I think that was the video. I really hope you could relate to it, and I really hope that you feel a bit better about yourself if you're watching this. This was just an attempt to make you feel better about yourself, because life is all about that. We are not here to win a race. Maybe some of you are. Personally, me, I'm just here to be a part of the race, enjoy it as much as I can, and live a life which impacts some positivity, which impacts some love, which impacts some strength in the people who are listening to me, in the people who are watching me, and through my work, whatever that may be. That's it. I'll see you in the next vlog.